I won't look this good without her. I don't even look good. I like space. Sometimes I need my space. Mapagpasensya na po akong tao kasi naubos na yung inis ko ng mga kabataan ko eh. Nilabas ko na lahat. Hello guys, it's Diego Loizaga playing the role of Dwayne at ito ang aking Fast 5. Ang huling tinawagan ko ang... I don't know. Sino ba? Ate Arlita. Tumigil ka, ba't ka tumatawa dyan? Siya naman tumawag sa akin, hindi naman ako yung tumawag eh. Si Ate Arlita, my makeup artist. Of course, I need my makeup artist here on set because I won't look this good without her. I don't even look good. Ewan ko, struggling stand-up comedian. Struggling, emphasis on the struggling. Why? Because I'm not funny. I just try to be funny. No, I'd probably be an astronaut. Yeah. Would've never guessed, huh? I like space. Sometimes I need my space. Sabaw? Kailan ba ako hindi sabaw? I'll ask you. This is your Fast 5. No, sabaw? No, I like being sharp all the time. Like, kailangan witty, kailangan mabilis sumagot. Ay, siguro sabaw ako pag medyo putok araw na yung shoot. Tapos di mo na ako makakausap masyado. Parang puro loading. Bakit? Sabay ka ba? Saan ako pupunta? Sa taping pa rin. May taping pa kami bukas. And then, Zambales. Yun lang sabihin ko. I'm leaving for Zambales on Thursday. Because I didn't get to leave for Holy Week. I'm leaving for a week. Sorry, taping. Parang tagal ko nang di nainis. Ganon? Ano mo gusto mo makita? Kung paano yung face? Hindi ako naiinis. Mapagpasensya na po akong tao kasi naubos na yung inis ko ng mga kabataan ko eh. Nilabas ko na lahat. Honestly, I don't remember the last time I got mad. I think last time nagalit ako yung pabago-bago pa yung call time nila dito. Kala ko makakatulog ako, tapos yung pala hindi. Tapos 4 a.m. may text pa, 5 a.m. may text pa. Pa-move ng pa-move yung call time namin. Pa-move! Yun. Yan yung huling time na nainis ako. Guys, this is Diego Loizaga. I hope you enjoyed my interview and I'd like to invite you to please watch Tote Bato, now showing dito sa TV5